Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and how are you doing? So in this video I'm just going to show you how we can iterate over to list and fetch the values of it, and we can do multiple times. In Python, as you know, list can be of string type or integer type or somehow as you want it. So just let me create two lists here and I will name them as a list1, and I'll just pass the values like 1 comma 2 comma 8 comma 4 comma 7. This is my list one, and I'll just create a same exact list 2, and let me name as a list 2. Now suppose we want to fetch the values from the each index of it, and we want to some do mathematical calculation, simple addition or multiplication, however you can modify according to your needs. So for this I have to iterate over this, right? So I'll create a for loop for this, and I'm just creating it for L1 comma L2, and I have to use this functionality zip, which returns a type object of zip, and by this we can iterate over two lists at the same time. So guys, we just have to pass here our two lists and see how we can actually do it. So let me store it in a variable where I will just uh, add to list and see if it works. And for your convenience, and let me print it out also, I'll go ahead and print. So this is the very simple code which is very helpful, and in this we can iterate over two lists. In this case I am just showing you what the lists are having the length same. Suppose tomorrow you get the list which having the different lengths. So we'll go ahead in a while and see what happens. So let me just print this out, this small snippet of code, and let's see how it works. As you can see, it is just index wise adding your numbers: 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, and so on. So as I told you, that what if the list is of not the same size. Suppose here we have just 4 elements and here we see the 5 elements. In such cases, what will the zip function do? The answer is simple. In such case, we can see that g function will do that it will return the zip object which of the list having the smallest size. So now if I run this code, it should run up till this fourth index and the fourth element. At this point, the our loop will break out and it won't do further operation. So for this clarity, I will just go ahead and run this code again and see. As you can see, we just got the 4 indexes of it. So that's it for the timing, guys. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned.